In the Monroe tournament, Mott Haven finding itself in a must-win game to advance. Their opponent, Truman, looking to get a win for themselves. Andrew Morales looking good on the mound in his first start. He throws complete game, 4 hits allowed, 9 strikeouts. Bottom of the 4th inning is where Elvis Hernandez, with this shot to right, Francisco Garcia will score. Umtul, the ground rule double, 2-0 Mott Haven. The next batter is Steven Serrano. He'll lace one, the shortstop, right about here. Hernandez dodges the catcher to avoid the tag. Mott Haven would tack on 2 more runs, and they beat Truman 5-2.
Well, we played our hardest, backed each other up as a family. And as a baseball team, we just played our hearts out.
We stood up with our Bronx this year, so we're trying to get our name on the map. That's for all the scouts to come to our game and watch. And first year at Mott Haven, we try to make our name known.
Yep, that's right. That's my buddy Andrew Morales. Yeah, you heard it on C7 level. All right.